Hey everyone, welcome back to Developer Maddy. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add and customize page numbers in Microsoft Word. Whether you're working on a report, a thesis, or any long document, page numbers are essential to keep everything organized. Let's get started. First, open your Word document and navigate to the Insert tab. Go to Header and Footer section. Click on Page Number. You can choose to place the page number at the top or bottom of the page, or in the margins. For this example, let's place the page number at the bottom. Click Bottom of Page, and then select Plain Number 2. Word automatically adds page numbers to all your pages. If you want to customize the page numbers, go back to Page Number and click Format Page Numbers. Here, you can change the format to Roman numerals or even start numbering from a different page. If you don't want the page number on the first page, like for a cover page, go to the Design tab, while the footer is active, and check Different First Page. This removes the page number from the first page but keeps it on all other pages. That's it. You've successfully added and customized page numbers in Word. This is a great way to keep your document organized and professional. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to Developer Maddy, and drop a comment below with any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.